Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage vibe aesthetic cottage decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage vibe aesthetic cottage decor is a decorating style that combines the cozy charm of a traditional cottage with the elegance and nostalgia of vintage treasures. It creates a home that feels warm, peaceful, lived in, and full of character, as though it has been lovingly decorated over many years. Key characteristics of vintage vibe aesthetic cottage decor: use soft, comforting colors. Use warm whites, cream, sheet cream, dusty blue, blush pink, battery yellow, and soft beige to create a relaxed atmosphere. Use vintage furniture. Choose wooden tables, painted cabinets, rocking chairs, farmhouse hutches, and antique dressers with gentle sign of age. Use floral patterns. Decorated floral curtains, cushions, wallpaper, bedding, and tablecloths to add classic cottage charm. Use natural materials. Incorporate wood, wicker, rattan, linen cotton, jute, and stone for warmth and texture. Layer textiles. Add quilts, crocheted blankets, lace runners, embroidered pillows, and open rugs to make every room feel cozy. Decor with history. Display antique clocks, ceramic pictures, painters' books, framed botanical prints, brass candlesticks, and family heirlooms. Use fresh flowers and greenery. Bring nature indoors with wildflowers, herbs, eucalyptus, or seasonal blooms in simple vases. Use warm plating. Use table lamps with fabric shades. Use lanterns, candles, and vintage-inspired light fixtures for a soft glow. Open shelving. Style shelves with stacked dishes, teacups, glass jars, pottery, and open baskets to create a collected look. Comfort over perfection. Small imperfections, aged finishes, and handmade items make the home feel authentic and inviting. The overall feeling. A vintage vibe aesthetic cottage is not about making a home look old. It is about creating a space that feels peaceful, welcoming, nostalgic, and full of timeless beauty. Every room tells a story through carefully chosen furniture, meaningful decorations, natural textures, and cozy details, making the home feel both elegant and comfortably lived in. Here are more information of vintage vibe aesthetic cottage decor. First, it celebrates simple life. A vintage cottage home is designed around comfort and simplicity. Instead of chasing trends, it embraces a slower pace of life, where every room feels peaceful, welcoming, and easy to enjoy. It feels collected over time rather than buying everything at once. This style looks as though it has grown naturally over years. Use antique finds, thrifted treasures, handmade pieces, and family heirlooms all work together to create a unique home. Here, nature plays a big role. The outdoors is brought inside through fresh flowers, potted herbs, open baskets, natural wood, stone, and linen fabrics. These elements help create a calm and refreshing atmosphere. Every room tells a story. Vintage cottage decor is built with meaningful objects. An old clock, a handmade quilt, a stack of vintage books, or a cherished teacup collection can all reflect the homeowner's memories and personality. Comfort is more important than perfection. A slightly worn wooden table, faded floral fabric, or a gently aged brush lamp adds charm instead of needing to be replaced. The goal is a home that feels lived in and loved. Use soft layers create warmth. Layering is essential with coils, lace runners, knitted shelves, embroidered cushions, and open rugs to give each room a cozy, inviting feel. Vintage does not mean cluttered. Choose decorative pieces carefully and leave open space around them. A few meaningful items often create a stronger impression than crowded shelves. Use handmade details and character, like crocheted blankets, embroidered linens, handmade pottery, and open baskets bring warmth and authenticity while celebrating traditional craftsmanship. The kitchen is the heart of the home. A vintage cottage kitchen often features open shelves, ceramic dishes, wooden cutting boards, blasters, copper cookware, and fresh shelves, making it both beautiful and practical. Timeless beauty never goes out of style. The greatest strength of vintage vibe aesthetic cottage decor is that it does not rely on passing trends. By choosing quality materials, classic colors, and meaningful accessories, you create a home that remains beautiful for many years. Vintage vibe aesthetic cottage decor is more than a decorative style. It is a way of creating a home filled with warmth, memories, and timeless charm. When you decorate with natural materials, meaningful treasures, and cozy layers, your home becomes a place where every corner feels welcoming and every detail tells a story. It creates a peaceful atmosphere. A vintage cottage home is designed to feel calm and relaxing. Use soft colors, comfortable furniture, and gentle lighting help create a space where you can unwind after a busy day. It values craftsmanship. Instead of choosing mass-product furniture, this style appreciates pieces that are handmade or built to last, like solid wood furniture, hand-woven baskets, and handcrafted pottery, add lasting beauty. It blends elegance with simplicity. Vintage cottage decor feels refined without being formal. A beautiful lace tablecloth, simple bouquet of flowers, and an open farmhouse table can create an elegant look that still feels comfortable. It encourages sustainable decorating, buying second-hand furniture, restoring old pieces, and using vintage accessories gives new life to beautiful items while reducing waste. It uses texture to add warmth. Instead of relying on bold colors, this style creates interstitial texture. Use linen curtains, knitted shawls, wicker baskets, ordered oud, and soft rugs. Make each room feel rich and inviting. It welcomes every season. Vintage cottage homes are easy to refresh throughout the year. Fresh flowers in spring, wildflowers in summer, pumpkins in autumn, and evergreen branches in winter keep the home feeling seasonal while maintaining its timeless charm. It celebrates everyday moments. Simple daily routines become special in a beautifully decorated home. Enjoying tea in a vintage cup, reading by a warm lamp, or sharing meals around a wooden table all become part of the cottage life. It balances beauty and function. Every decorative item should also have a purpose whenever possible. Open baskets provide storage, ceramic bowls hold fruits, and antique cabinets offer both beauty and organization. It creates a sense of nostalgia. Vintage cottage decor reminds people of simpler times through familiar materials, classic patterns, and treasured objects that evoke comforting memories. It reflects your personality. No two vintage cottage homes are exactly alike. The most beautiful spaces are filled with favorite books, family heirlooms, handmade crafts, travel files, and personal collections that make the home uniquely yours. Windows 5 aesthetic cottage decor is not about copying someone else's home. It is about creating a space that reflects your story, celebrates timeless beauty, and welcomes everyone with warmth, comfort, and character. When you decorate with intention and heart, your home becomes a place you will love for years to come. It begins initial foundation. A timeless cottage home often starts with soft, neutral walls and natural wood tones. This creates a peaceful backdrop that allows painters furniture and decorative accents to stand out beautifully. Natural light is part of the design. Its large windows, sheer curtains, and light-colored fabrics help fill the home with natural sunlight, making every room feel bright, airy, and welcoming. The beauty is in the small details. Vintage-style cabinet knobs, embroidered napkins, antique picture frames, and delicate lace curtains may seem so small, but together they create a charming cottage atmosphere. Display treasured collections, whether it is vintage teacup, old books, ceramic pictures, or open baskets. Displaying collections in small, organized groups gives your home a personal and crowded look. Every piece has a purpose. Instead of decorating just to fill space, choose furniture and accessories that are both useful and beautiful. This creates a home that feels practical as well as inviting. Use soft scents complete the atmosphere, like fresh flowers, dried lavender, homemade baked goods, or lightly scented candles can make a winter cottage feel even more warm and welcoming. Create a comfortable gathering space. Arrange furniture to encourage conversation and togetherness. Use a cozy sofa, comfortable armchairs, and a cottage table. Invite family and friends to spend time together. Mix different eras thoughtfully. A winter cottage does not have to come from one specific time period. Combining features from different decades can create a home that feels layered, collected, and unique. Keep decoration seasonal but timeless. Decorate with natural seasonal elements like fresh flowers, pumpkins, pine cones, branches, or greenery while keeping your overall cottage style consistent throughout the year. The goal is lasting beauty. Winter's Vibe aesthetic cottage decor is not about following changing trends. It is about creating a home filled with classic design, quality materials, meaningful treasures, and cozy comfort that will remain beautiful for years. A Winter's Vibe aesthetic cottage decor is more than a decorating style. It is a home that celebrates simple living, timeless beauty, and meaningful details. When you fill your home with natural textures, treasured features, and cozy touches, you can create a space that feels peaceful, welcoming, and truly unforgettable. It embraces solid decorating. A beautiful cottage home is not finished in a weekend. It grows gradually as you discover vintage treasures, restore old furniture, and collect meaningful pieces over time. It honors the beauty of aging. In Winter's cottage decor, old faded paint and aged brass are appreciated because they tell the story of years of use and careful craftsmanship. It creates a relaxing daily routine. A thoughtfully decorated cottage encourages simple pleasures like sitting in a cozy chair, enjoying tea by the window, or preparing meals in a welcoming kitchen. It brings the garden indoors. Fresh cut flowers, potted herbs, leafy plants, and branches from the garden help blur the line between the indoors and outdoors, giving the home a fresh and natural feeling. It uses open displays with purpose, instead of filling everything in cabinets. Beautiful everyday items such as teacups, ceramic bowls, wooden utensils, and glass jars become part of the decor. It makes every corner feel special. A small bench by the door, a vintage tools beside the bed, or a tiny shelf with candles and books can transform an overlooked corner into a cozy feature. It creates warm memories. The goal is not just to make a home look beautiful, it is to create a place where family meals, celebrations, and quiet everyday moments become lasting memories. It is personal, not perfect. The most charming vintage cottage homes don't look like showrooms. They reflect the people who live there, with favorite books, treasured gift sacks, and meaningful collections, creating a space full of personality. The true beauty of vintage vibe aesthetic cottage decor lies in its warmth, simplicity, and authenticity. When you decorate with meaningful pieces, natural materials, and timeless charm, you create a home that does not just look like beautiful, it feels like home in every single day. Thanks for watching this video.